Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening up some toy mini brands. Literally opening them up. So I have 3 here today. I have this Avatar figurine, a hacky sack, and then this Frisbee. Let's mix them up to see which one we're going to open first. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. The Frisbee. Okay. Let's open this up. Okay, I opened it up a little bit here to make it easier. Sorry, I have paint on my finger. Oh my goodness. It looks so cute. Look at that. That's adorable. Okay, let's open up the next one. Okay, so I'm just gonna like throw them and then catch one. I caught the Avatar doll. Okay, let's see. I don't know how I'm gonna open this. Okay. There we go. Let's rip it open. Okay, just like pull it out. Okay, there we go. Oh, there it is. It looks so cute. Okay, let's open the last one, which is the hacky sack. Okay. Oh no, I hate when I open stuff like that. Oh, okay, there we go. There it is. Little hacky sack. Here's everything we got. Well, I mean, we already knew what we got. Here's everything we opened up. There goes the hacky sack. Wait, we have to try out the Frisbee. Yay, it works so great.